nó tuồng của riêng trên sân nửa đình thi. I wanna see the look of
Jacket di antara itu kok.
See, we are we are sponsored by Zara.
Pakai Zara.
No nakli.
This one is from Korea. This one is from Korea. Okay.
Yes.
And this is my new ID card. Yeah. See, here I am. This one is me. Okay. Who is standing?
Cái dạo đi lợ.
देखो देखो कैसी बातें यहाँ की है, साथ पर है साथ ना भी, क्या इतनी आसान है। देखो देखो जैसे मेरे इरादे वैसे कहाँ तेरे यहाँ थे, हाँ कितनी नादान मैं, मेरे हुस्न के अलावा कभी दिल भी मांग लो ना, है पल में मैं पिघल जाऊं। हाँ अब ऐसा ना करो कि दिल जुड़ ना पाए वापस, तेरी बातों से बिखर जाऊं। हाँ
Just want a minute 내가 쉬는 시간 순진한 내 속에 속아오는 남자들 괜히 다른 매력에 흔들리고 있잖아. 용기 내봐 다가와 날 가질 수도 있잖아. 어른이신 너 혼자 들어서도 춤추는 사람들 그 속에 그려와
तेरी मम्मी की जय, क्या चीज बनाई, दूध पे जैसे आई हो मलाई। चुटी चुटी पागल है, पागल है, पागल है, पागल है। ये लड़की पागल है,
You fool me jackpot, I dey go Ghana. You never touch it, they from Baba. Which kind money we never see before. Go sell on me, got me feeling I'm the one. Ajay, can never take my cake away. Ajay, you can't count my grace. I just did my lane. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make it pass like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want, telling me could deny my fantasy. You want to check if my tap me no rush, but you dey rush well well, leave me more.
That's my shit, that's my weed. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I'm free, just like that. Come my way. That's my shit, that's my weed. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I'm free, just like that. Come my way. Yeah, I said do
top
that.
notch freak. Act like I'm a treat when a dog see me. Like a thief in the night, like she stole my grain. Got me walking out the scene like a hole in my jeans.
That's my shit, that's my weed. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I'm free, just like that. Come my way. That's my shit, that's my weed. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I'm free, just like that. Come my way.
Warning. The stunts in this movie.
Hey, shut the f up.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big step up, underground methods. Top notch horse, get the most.
We are going for refreshment. Fortune, how are you feeling since we are gonna have refreshment now? See. Vinu bhai, aaja re. Hey. I can see the smell of Valentina now.
All your friends, no, those are free stay. They are free behind you.
Valentina, your favorite, right? Yeah, for this. Okay. This is gonna be yummy. Yes, pork.
Đây, con là tế bên tôi lấy về chưa? Mày phụ nữ gì? Mày phụ nữ nhiều chứ bằng là tế bên tôi lấy về.
Mua hay mua?
Moi standing there, hi bro. Boy, Adi, what? Tu ni benda? Kumna. This is my plate. How is the food?
Rate 1 to 10.
Melinda, how is the food?
Don't look to me, I'm so concentrating on my food.
Wow, Asanfi. What's that? Over and now. Adi is so serious that she don't want even food nowadays.
Then see, champak me. We call this champak me.
How is it? Is it good?
This is
Wow. Bro, control. Why so serious, man?
brother is digging.
I heard lunch already. I
ทำไมคันมันหนู
Okay, so now it's time to dig in now. Now we are dressing up. And here is Binu.
Yo guys, welcome to my
Doing rehearsal.
No, I will take this.
Okay. And everyone is getting ready for the program.
See this.
You keep there.
Like this now.
These are our team. Wow! Oh my God! Looking so bountiful. Yes, she is doing on her own makeup. We hire a makeup artist. We hire a makeup artist all the way from.
Wait guys, let's
Wait.
Wait.
What the fuck is Blinkit, bro? We just bought from Zara, man.
My brother, man.
Oh my God! Thank you, man. Whoa! So the flyers, bro. So this now.
Yeah.
Wow! Who are these people, man?
Cindy, you wear now.
Wow!
You wear now.
And this is the outfit of the day. How is it, guys? So your outfit now, bro. Show your outfit. Wow.
How you are? The angle look nice.
So ugly means you're already ugly, bro. Don't. Don't blame on my camera. Say something.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Valentina's vlog for today. We are here in our dressing room and we're doing makeup. And our makeup artist, Ajahn Face to Makeup Pro, are one and only Olga Gamay. Hit the bell icon and stay alert for any updates. Thank you guys. This is my share. Woo!
And now it's glow time. This is the outfit. Show your outfit, guys. Wow, the swag. Yes. So let's go and rock the stage.
Wait a minute.
Everyone is busy. Wow, wow, wow. This is a crowd. And this is our gang. You. The two blackies.
Black and white. The mother and dad.
It's rehearsal time. They're doing rehearsal. See why you're holding this, bro. Give to them.
Sorry, ma.
Don't just choose the white one, eh?
Manager.
We just done performing. How is your performance?
Literally, this is the worst performance I've ever did because I regret wearing this baggy pants. Baggy pants.
Wow.
Advice: don't ever wear baggy jeans when if you're gonna perform for real. You're gonna be disappointed. A big disappointed. I'm warning you.
Vino.
I am warning you.
Express.
The performance is so bad. Not this one is that was so minus fucking bro. Thank you. Shut the fuck up.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
So, I think this will be the end of the vlog. So, see you guys on another video. Bye. Take care. What are we waiting for?
We're waiting for Uber.
Wow, sorry.
Not for us.
Super girl.
We're waiting for a personal driver.
Yes, we are done performing and
Mike, give me the monkey.
Olga
vlog.
subscriber. Olga fans. Hi, also subscribe to my channel.
What is your channel name? What is your channel name?
Just check the link.
Oh my god!
Just still not. No.
just.
No.
Comedy is also
Why?
okay, but I didn't say, but
Why?
I act.
If you want to subscribe to my channel, search it.
So we are done performing and now we are gonna go back. And then there she is.
I'm warning you again. Don't wear baggy jeans when
Shut
you're
up.
performing.
Okay, chalo guys. Bye guys.
Guys, once again, search my channel and subscribe.
And okay, always don't say we are wearing black and red. Everyone is wearing different thing now.
I'm the whole group then, always late. Always late, this girl. And this, where is Valentina?
Interview. Interview, not interview. I don't understand.
Magi post there hoy interview male coffee ga. Acha photo coffee. Male ba. Kisan Fortune. Oi Fortune. Why just going away without saying hi to me, bro? Why without even saying hi? You just
I told you now.
nah. This is aeroplane. Where? Do.
Tao is okay.
Asan to?
Wait a minute, get it how you live it.